Yeah, myself, Ratan Kumar. I am the director of Vector Engineering India. This is our stall C13. Vector Infotech is a Singapore-based company. India is a subsidiary. We are in the business of industrial networking, industrial IT, and industrial telecommunication. We have partnership with Belden for networking products. We have partnership with Panasonic for tubbook, large screen displays and surveillance solution. We also have partnership with Novaris for such protectors, FiberTech, and we are in the also offering digital solutions such as cyber security simulator, digital twin, big data AI, and we also have certain more digital solution related to remote tracking. So we have participated in Automation Expo Chennai. This is the second time we are participating. I think that today the response has been good, and I look forward to getting good response in the next 2 days.